So friends, we'll see the real bank exam question. So you will be given a set of options. So after solving both the equations x and y and getting their values, go for option A if x is greater than y, and option B if x is greater than or equal to y, and option C if x is less than y, or option D when x is less than or equal to y. So go for option E if both values are same or the relationship cannot be determined. So now we'll see the questions. So we'll see question number 1. So you have two equations, x square plus 30x plus 81 equal to 0, y square minus 162 equal to 0. So you have two equations in two variables. To see which is greater, x or y, so you have to solve the equation. So first we'll solve the first equation. So problem number 1, so the first equation, x square plus 30x plus 81 equal to 0. So to find the solution, so we'll follow the 3 steps. The first one, choose the numbers. So we have to choose the numbers according to the equation. So you have here plus 81, so product should be plus 81. So as coefficient of x square is 1, the product is just 81. So as you have plus here, sum of those two numbers which we choose should be 30. So write here sum. So to choose the numbers, so product should be 81 and sum 30. We'll split these numbers into factors. So 9 into 9 is 81. So when you add 9 and 9, it is not 30. So we'll split the numbers further. So now 27 and 3, product is the same 81. And when you add these two numbers, you get 30. So the numbers are 27 and 3. So as you have plus here, both the numbers take the sign plus 27 plus 3. So the second step, so divide by coefficient of x square. As x square coefficient is 1, we have the same numbers in the second step also. So that is 27 and 3. So the third step, change the symbol of these numbers. So if you forget to change the symbol, you will arrive at the wrong option. So don't forget to change the symbol. So change the symbols of these numbers. So it is minus 27 and minus 3. So value of x we have got as minus 27 and minus 3. So now we'll solve the second equation and get values of y. So we'll retain the values here, minus 27 and minus 3. So the first step, choose the numbers. So here you have minus 162. So product should be minus 162. As you have minus, write difference. So difference should be minus 9. So now to find the numbers, so we'll split it. So having minus outside the brackets, so one factor is 9. So when you add all the numbers, you get 9. So this number is divisible by 9. So when you take away the factor 9, so it is 18. So 9 and 18, when you subtract, you get 9, and product is the same 162. So the numbers are 18 and 9. So as you need minus 9, give minus for the higher number, plus for the smaller number. Now divide by the coefficient of x square. So again here, so this is variable in y, so divide by coefficient of y square. So again here coefficient is 1 for y square. So you have the same numbers in second step also. So the third step, change the symbols of these numbers. So you have minus 18. So one value is 18, the other one is minus 9. So solution for this equation, that is values of y, we have 18 and minus 9. So after getting these values, you have to choose which option we should go for. So to choose the option, so simply place these numbers on the number line, which makes our work easier. So having 0 in the middle, the values of x is minus 27 and minus 3, both are negative. So write on the left hand side of the number line. So minus 3 is greater than minus 27, so write on the right hand side and minus 20. So x values are, assuming minus 3 is here, so we place x here minus 3 and minus 27 x here. And y we have 18 and minus 9. So 18 is a positive value. Assuming 18 to be here, we place y. And minus 9 is lesser than minus 3 and greater than minus 27. So it lies in between x and y. So we have plotted x and y in this number line. So here y 18 is greater than x minus 3. So x is lesser than y. And now x minus 3 is greater than minus 9. So we have a contradiction here. So we have to go for option E, where values cannot be determined. So answer is option E, the relationship cannot be established. So the working is given here clearly. As the relationship cannot be established, the answer is option E.